Alright, as you can see here, I took a fan off, at least one. I might take that one off too, but there are the CPU power hookups are right there. It's kind of washed out, but yeah, they're right below the fan, so I couldn't really get to them with it on there. So yeah, I'm just gonna plug these in, and you can see the cables here, conveniently labeled CPU on this end, PSU on this end. I'm actually going to hook up the PSU right now, but I just kind of want to get a sense of where the cables are going to route and all that. So let's see, this is going to plug in like so, and you can't see that because I can't see that. Oh, well, yeah, this is going to have to go on my head, and I'm going to use a flashlight. All right. Oops. I doubt you can see that, but not much to see. Just plugging a cable in. You know, it only goes in one way. All right, snapped in. I heard it. And in terms of routing, yeah, I'd kind of like to put it this way below the radiator. Is that going to work? Yeah, there we go. And then I can kind of come out. Yeah, let me put it behind these fan cords. Come on. Oh my goodness. There we go. Whoops. Getting caught on some of the pins in there. Don't want that. Uh-oh, I didn't bend any of those, did I? Don't think so. No, they look alright. Alright, and they'll go down to PSU land down there somewhere. And also another one. Well, I don't remember this on Yamabox 1.0. Dedicated power just for the CPU. Has that always been a thing? I'd have to go back and look at my old motherboard. I thought it was just powered through the this ATX connection here, but what do we got here? CPU, all right. That also fits in over here. Oops. Oh, who won that game? Yeah, Kentucky and North Carolina are just playing. Kentucky, all right. And then also kind of tucked behind the radiator, behind the pins. All right, I think that's probably good enough for now. I'm gonna wish that I had plugged in these fans and things before I... All right. So you can kind of see that now. So that should be good. I can probably put that fan back on now and then maybe take this one off, just so I can reach all the fan hookups. And I think the pump are connected right below there, and it's just going to be a hard reach, I think, with a fan there. So that'll be next. Stay tuned.